Hello, I'm Priss, and in this video we're diving into the wall of Lattice sprays to create a pretty Art Deco piece with a colorful paper lattice. This time I used Lattice sprays set called Arctic Adventures, which includes the colors Penguin Play Periwinkle, Narwhal Navy, Snowy Tundra Sunset, Blushing Polar Bear, and Iceberg Azure. We also need 5 Bristol paper, a 5 size more or less, flat brushes, clean water, and a picture frame. This last is optional. Let's start with the Snowy Tundra Sunset. Apply the color liquid with the brush, carefully from side to side of the paper. It's better to add some water from time to time. Finally, add some splatters directly from the bottle and dry it a little with the heat gun. Now it's time for Blushing Polar Bear. It's important to shake the spray bottles like I do, always holding the top of the bottle vertically, moving the bottom of the bottle from side to side. Never shake up and down. We want the pigment blend perfectly with maximum shine, and we don't want any unwanted clogs in the mechanisms. Keep doing the same with each color. Remember, start by lightly wetting the paper with water, either with an even spray or gently running a wet brush over them. This will help the paint flow smoothly. Then apply the color with a clean brush from the side, and don't worry if some areas end up with more pigment than others. It's all part of the creative process. And with a little splatters directly from the bottle and dry them a little with a heat gun. Then let the papers air dry. Once the papers are completely dried, if they curled or wrinkled, no worries. We can fix that with a careful ironing session. Just make sure not to overdo it and be careful not burn the papers. These are the colors when they dry. Snowy Tundra Sunset, Blushing Polar Bear, Penguin Play Periwinkle. This is my favorite color. Narwhal Navy or Narwhal Navy, I don't know. Iceberg Azure, my second favorite. Off camera, so sorry, I cut the papers into half-inch strips. I used my Deco trimmer for this. Arrange 8 strips side by side, playing with the colors that you like. To keep them in place, secure the top and bottom ends. I use a bit of blue tack on each tip, but you can use a little washi tape if you want. Begin waving those strips carefully, one by one. Once again, letting your creativity guide your color choices. We will need 8 horizontal strips in total. Once the lattice is complete, glue the ends together, making sure all the strips are perfectly aligned. Now, carefully attach your paper lattice into an 8x8 inch white cardstock for added stability and clean background. I have cut my cardstock slightly larger from easier attachment, and once it's adhered to, I trim the excess edge to ensure a seamless finish. To protect and display my Art Deco, I am using a frame. But remember, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination fly. I wanted to tell a story of hope and freedom with my art. So, I added the text, "Let it be," and a whale stamp. The whale represents us, while the intricate design represents the situations we encounter on the way. The message here is clear: to let go of fears and worries and not let them get you down. Let it be. So there you have it, a beautiful decorative piece you can personalize to match your style and meaning. Hope you enjoy creating and sharing this work of art with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, bye bye!